Last week's trade signals posted in here for you to copy. We had futures and Forex last week. Let's go through and have a look at the results, and let's see how you can grow an account, whether it's your own or a prop account, by just following these signals. So euro dollar, we're looking for a retrace. This was the idea. Look for the retrace and take the next signal when it fades back through value. Now, I'm doing daily mentorship videos on what all this means, so I won't go into what that is about so much in this video. This is just looking back at our signals. There's your volume profile. We got the fade back in here, but mainly we just want to keep this thing simple. And we're just looking at these blue lines, and they're trending down. There's our sell signal, get short. Or you could take that fade back in through here, and as soon as we break under the blue line, you could take that short, right? So anyway, that was the idea. Just wait for the pullback and take the next sell signal, pretty much. That's all you got to do. Look for the retrace and take the next sell signal. That's it. Okay, it's exactly here. Look for the retrace, take the next sell signal there, right there. Keep an eye for the sell signal. That's all you got to do, guys. And the sell signal usually fires, well, that was just actually before the New York session. So you want to think twice, I guess, if you want to take that trade. But we had another one here after the New York Open. Down here, that wasn't so great, but that was really nice. This one here, yeah, you would have got something out of that for sure. This one was after the London session. Anyway, let's go back and have a look. And all you got to do is just set the signal to go off and then take that trade. This one was, here we go, look. Here we go, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's just go back to that. Just be careful end of the week. Lines start fanning out. We can expect pullbacks. Right. Oh, yeah, and this is the thing. Looking for an A+ setup. What does that look like? This is it right here, guys. See, we've got 4 lines. And if they are all together and they are starting to lean down and you get a sell signal, that's it. It's all you got to wait for if you want to take these trades on your own. Pass your prop firm challenge with this. This is an A+ setup, and we'll be looking at these daily in a coming week. Now, when the lines fan out, we can expect a pullback. So don't get involved down in here when the lines fan out. Look, and that's what this was all about. And I did well, that was an Aussie cat. Hang on. This is what I was talking about when the lines see the pullback into the VWAP, right? So when the lines fan out, just be a little bit careful. We're too far away from that. So we take these when everything comes together. It's actually really simple to follow. So anyway, let's just go back and have a look. Euro dollar, okay, nice. The pound Aussie, there we go. We were looking for a pullback, take the next sell signal. It was similar to the euro dollar. There's your sell, right? Here we go, exactly what I was talking about, the pullback, and then go for the next sell signal. Here's the pullback I mentioned, and there's the sell signal right there. After the, see how it breaks through the 4 lines? You got purple, blue, blue, and another blue in there. You can't really see it. It's just behind, it's behind that fixed blue line. So it breaks under all of those. There's your sell signal. The other thing you can look for is there's another signal here. It's bearish. And what that is the initial balance breakout. This is another strategy. We're going to talk about this in VIP. There's a way to trade. Not all of these initial balance breakouts work, but I'm going to do a video on this, and I'll put that into the mentorship. There's a way to trade the initial balance breakout, and it's very, very specific. I'll try and cover that today if I can. So that's what I was talking about. Aussie CAD, we got the signal, blah, blah, blah. Yep, okay, I was looking. The thing was, wait for the pullback and take the next buy signal. There it is here. Back up to the high. See the yellow shaded line? That's our volume profile value area. That's where you would close it. It's just, and there's a mentorship. Don't miss these. These are so important, guys. All right. Just be careful at the end of the week. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Aussie CAD 15 VWAP. What's this? Oh, yeah, look. This was the thing. Set a multi-time bullish cross alert for a possible buy on the Aussie CAD. Oh, okay. If it crosses bullish. Only if it crosses bullish. There's your alert. Off that indicator on the top left, and that's what we're looking for. The Aussie CAD, did we get it? The Aussie CAD. Aha. We got the signal just after I posted the idea, but it was short-lived. There you go. All right, we got that signal here, and then that was all we got out of it. then the markets are manipulated and that just turned around aggressively. That's what I'm expecting towards the end of the week. Anyway, that worked. I mean, all the signals, I mean, you should be definitely building your account with these. XTI, we got a bit after blah, blah, blah. What's that all about? XTI, buy if it pulls back and holds above the level. Okay. Buy if it pulls back and holds the ball. There's your buy there. This is off the Scoutmaster indicator. Okay, here it is. Look. Buy if it pulls back and holds above the level. I think that was it. Let's just check. Buy if it pulls back and yep, exactly that. Okay, there's my, oh look, there's the drawing. Buy if it pulls back and then holds above the level. So that's all you got to do. Buy if it pulls back and holds above the level. Okay, check it out. There it is. Oh, look at that. Buy if it holds back in there. Okay, and then we got that. So all you got to do is just set the alert. I'll throw these things in here. You just set the alert and take it. Possible buy if we get a Scoutmaster or a Momentum Sync version 3 on the 5 minute, right? Keep an eye on PPI. Okay. Oh, that's right. And it wasn't an easy one. Wasn't an easy one. But, it worked. But, yeah, and I did the video on that, guys, I think. So just watch that video. It's just down here a little bit in the mentorship video. Next one was look for a pullback. What's this? Yep. Oh, okay. Anyway, just some updates in there. Let's just have a look and see, what worked, what didn't work. Possible buy if it pulls back and holds above the level. Yeah, we got that one. Dollar CAD, possible buy if we get Scoutmaster and Momentum Sync, blah, blah, blah. Let's just check that out. Dollar CAD. Oh, yeah, Dollar CAD gave us the opportunity, but it wasn't easy. Okay. Oh, that's handy. So what's this one? This is what I call an A+ setup. 5 minute chart. Look at all this. See, we've got 4 lines. That's fanning out, so that's a little bit scary. Better if they're closer together. But when you get this signal here and these signals and we break above the 4 lines, and the high on the right hand side, if that's bullish, that's your trade. So you guys who are wanting to be a bit more independent, A+ setup is all you need if you just look for this and reject everything else. Well, one exception here, the 2 and the 4 hour would be better off if they were bearish. It doesn't matter so much the 1 and the weekly because we're on a lower time frame. But if the 2 and 4 are green, then you want that. So for confirmation, 4 lines. There's purple, blue, fixed lines, and then there's 2 dashed lines, a thick one and a thin one. And if this is bullish and we break above, that's your trade. That's all you got to look for especially when they come together. Look, this is an A+ setup. This table on the right. Okay. Oh yeah, here it is. Look, example of an A+. See how the 4 hour and the 2 hour are red here on the table? That's an A+ setup when everything's, see the angle? And then you break under these, you've got the purple. Okay, you got the purple and blue, and then you got the 2 blue dotted lines. And look at that. That's, if you just look for that, you would make a ton of money. That's all you need. A+ setup right there. Especially with this is, yeah, exactly that, right? Take that trade. We're going to be looking for some of these next week. See, I just really want to save the image, copy it, save image as A+. This is really important. Oh, it's a web thing. Okay. Anyway, never mind. That's it, guys. So NAS, buy opportunity if it breaks bullish. Okay. It didn't break bullish, so there's no trade. However, if you were watching this, it's not A+ because the higher time frame is green here, but look at the signals and how everything's trending under our value range here. Look at that. So you got signals, you can take those. All right. I was looking for the bullish breakout, and as it was, the markets went the other way on the back of some CPI data or something like that. Gold set a bullish momentum sync for a possible buy. If it doesn't, then there's no trade, right? So I was looking for the pullback and then continuation, given that the 4 hour over here on the right was bullish. We didn't get it, but we got the breaks under the lines, and you could take that sell signal if you want to. The idea was bullish, only sell alerts, no bullish opportunity, right? NASDAQ, possible buy if it breaks bullish. Yep. See, that's the kind of thing that we're getting, guys. Look, set a bullish momentum sync. So these are the 2 I just showed you, and as it was, they tanked. So there wasn't, like, this was higher time frame bullish. I was looking for the pullback and continuation, but we only got sell signals. We didn't get a buy signal. So you just leave it alone or take that sell signal if you game. Mentorship, guys. Strategy reviews, so important. Dollar yen, move your stop loss to break even, right? So that was a nice setup, except the 4 hours bearish. But we got the break above all of the stuff here. We got the signals, and that was my entry point. And this was just move your stop loss. So I sent this in, dollar yen, buy. It's just buy, guys. Just buy it. Just follow me. These are amazing signals, and the indicators are based on VWAP and volume profile. Aussie CAD, here you go. Look, I suggest we close now. So that was buy on the next signal or whatever. Close now. We'll have a look at that. That's on the 12th. That was this week. Aussie CAD has been range bound, blah, 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 blah. I would close now and secure profits. Another mentorship video. If you're joining, and also if you are a member and you haven't watched them yet, just make sure you go back over the next at least 3 in this channel here, the 3 videos. And also, guys, look, down in here, VWAP. This is a slide deck on VWAP. Volume profile 1, volume profile 2. Fading the volume profile, right? Trading an inside day, Forex versus futures. This is educational material that I've placed in here for you. Back to Forex. And I'll show you the futures in a minute. If you're trading a futures prop account, seriously, you want this whole system. So that was on the 11th. Look, Aussie yen, just buy. Right there. Let's go. Buy. Aussie yen. And then Aussie yen. All right. Close now. Or take partial profits, whatever you want to do. That's it, guys. That's this last week here from the 11th. Aussie CAD, I'm long. Lovely. Yep. All right. Now, quickly have a look at futures. If you're trading a futures, I posted, what did I do here? I'm short MNQ. There you go. It's right on when I'm short MNQ. This is through the Asian session. It's not for everyone, but you've got the indicators and you can take your own trades. So I'm short MNQ. All right. Take partial profits. And this is a fade. See the yellow shaded zone here? This is the volume profile value area. And this is a fade back into value. So you'll note that, see down here, the low, it trades from the low to the high, back down to the low. All right, so we're looking for this range-bound price action. So this is how you trade the range. And we look for the fade back into the volume profile value area. So that's where I went short. And then this is a bonus. If you get that as well as the fade signal, that one there was a little bit scary, depending on your stop loss, of course. I do put my stop losses out of the way with futures, and I manage them manually. Just doing really well with these. So that's that. What was this? Trade the fade. Yeah, this is trading the fade. Look at the yellow shaded zone. See the F? That's a bearish fade. Short. The green is a bullish fade. You buy. The F is a bearish fade. You sell. And you're looking for the next green. Look, if the F fires, look for the next red candle. There's a hashtag signal there. You can set that alert, that hashtag, to go off, and it'll tell you when the candle turns red. Here, you set the hashtag signal on the volume, the VWAP indicator. You just, when that F goes off, set that hashtag. It'll be candle color change, green, right? You just set that. As soon as that goes off, you take that trade. Here, we get a red F. So you set another signal. This is what I did here on this one. But I actually went in a bit earlier on this, the white candle. But you can take that. As soon as that red hashtag fires, you can take that. That's it, guys. It's fading the value area. It's and look at this. Okay, so that was up there, and then down it went. So if you manage it well, there's an outcome. That's futures. Fading. I'm generally going to be fading the value area with the futures trades. MNQ close now on that one. These have been fantastic, but you got to be quick to catch these in the Asian session. I ended up closing this. All right, Scout Master alert, blah, blah, blah. All right, so anyway, yeah, this is cool. Now, just a bit of an announcement. We've got the Scout Master EA, and it's just a couple of days old, guys. There's a link here to the FX Blue. Kicked off on the, when did it kick off? Balance, let's just have a look at the equity. Yep, there'll be little to no drawdown. This tiny drawdown with this. This sets up a stop loss, a tight stop immediately. And anyway, this is still in development. We're up 56,100. Now we're up 53. So it dropped back 300. That was through the US session, and it opened the trade early before all the volatility at 9:30 a.m. So now we've set it to open the trade after that initial volume volatile period in the US session. So next week we'll see how, we just made the adjustment on that result. This is a bit weird here. It's not giving us any of that. So, and I think it's only because it's a couple of days old and it doesn't have much data. So FX Blue's still kind of working it out. But anyway, you'll be able to come in here and analysis. You've got stats. You've got everything here if you want to keep an eye on this thing. Yeah, it doesn't have any return yet for some reason. Anyway, here's the thing with this Scoutmaster EA. Yeah, where it's kind of available if we have a good week this week. I will make it available and we can connect your account to it. So in here you can click on the Gold Fusion, takes you to my website. That's the Gold Bot link. So here's the deal with this. There's no grid or martingale, single trade execution. This is the ants pants. You got the Gold Bot, and then and look, what I've done here is the Gold Bot has been discounted, and you've got 7 days left. Connect your account to the Gold Bot. Number one, discounted. And this includes the Scoutmaster launch. And if the Scoutmaster EA is successful, we'll connect your account to it. And that's part of this deal. After the next week, when I can see if this thing is profitable on a daily basis and it really shows me what it's capable of, I'm going to make it available probably towards the end of next week. And the price is going to go up. You got 7 days. All right, I'm thinking $79.95 or $129.95 for the combo of the Gold Bot and the Scoutmaster EA connected to your account. So if I were you, I would just grab this now for the Gold Bot. Connect your account to that. At least you've got, that's been producing 7% per month. There's details in here on that. That's the Gold Bot, right? So you've got that. $49.95. Okay, now the price is going to go up dramatically very, very shortly. I'm going to readjust this pricing. So keep an eye on the Gold Bot page for the pricing adjustment. It's going to change. I'm going to stick with this 49 for now, but yeah, we're going to make an adjustment. All right. So jump on this journey, guys, with us. Join VIP. Look, you've got here. This is this ridiculous value. Yeah. Oh my God. So many people have no idea just how valuable this is. It's a free trial for 7 days. No risk. Try the indicators and make sure you watch the mentorship videos, because I'm going to be teaching you how to use the indicators to make money. And then it's only $29.95. Now, after that 7 days next week, this is most likely going to go up. So you want to really snap that up fairly quickly, I would think. There'll be a change with this next week after the 7 days. All right, so here it is, 7 days. Now, this is on, this is discounted for you with you got the 7 day trial. All right, exciting times ahead, guys. So stay tuned and see you in the next one.